Good morning, my friend. Good morning, grade 6, grade 7. Today we'll continue our lesson, the circumference, and after that we'll start a new lesson. It will be the area of the circle. Firstly, we need to make a quick check for what we studied before. Read with me the question. The question is said that find the radius or the diameter. Again, find the radius or the diameter of each circle. Again, find the radius or the diameter of each circle with the given dimensions. Again, the question is what? Find the radius or diameter of each circle which given the dimension. We said that yesterday. If we have that, the diameter will be 6 for an example, and I need to find the length of the radius. So the radius is equal half the diameter. The radius is equal half the diameter. So if the diameter is 6, so the radius is 6 divided by 2. So if you have the diameter is 6, so the radius is equal 6 divided by 2, it will be equal 3. So again, if he gives me the diameter, we will make what? We will divide this one over 2. Again, if he gives me the diameter, I will divide this one over 2. So if he gives me the diameter is 6, I will divide it by 2. If he gives me the radius is equal 11. The radius is 11. So the diameter is equal what? The diameter is equal 11 by 2 because the diameter is double the radius. The diameter is double the radius. So if I need the diameter, we will multiply by 2 again. If I need the diameter, we will multiply by 2. Diameter equal 2 times radius. So I will multiply this number 11 by 2. If I have the diameter is 6 and I need the radius, so the radius is equal 6 divided by 2. The radius is equal 6 divided by 2. Okay? After that, look with me to this question. What he said that find the circumference of each circle if pi is equal what? 3.14, or maybe we would by itself. And round this one to the nearest what? To the nearest tenth. Again, he said for me, find the circumference of each circle using 3.14, or we will use pi. What we will make in this case, we will use the rule. The rule said that the circumference is equal to by r. The circumference is equal to by r. And we write what? We will write the circumference is equal. Good morning, Muhannad. How are you, my friend?
Good, mister.
Good morning. Okay, we'll make a small revision about what we said today. Okay, because you don't start with us. Okay, Muhannad, be with me, my friend. He gives me that. Read the question. Read the head of the question, Muhannad.
Find the radius or diameter of each circle with the given dimensions. D equals 6 centimeters.
Maybe he needs the radius, or maybe he needs the diameter, right?
Right.
In the first question, Muhannad, he gives me the diameter, right?
Yes, it's 6 centimeters. And
Yes,
the
if the
radius
diameter is equal 6, so the diameter is equal what, Muhannad?
the diameter equals 6 and the radius equals 11 feet.
No. If I have the diameter is 6, I need the radius of that. So we will make what? We said we will divide it by...
divide by...
So I will divide it. 6 divided over 2, right?
Yes,
6 divided over
3.
2, it equals what? Excellent.
3.
So it gives me the diameter is 6, and I need the radius. I will divide this one over 2, right?
Yes.
So 6 here will be divided by 2, gives me 3. If he gives me the radius, Muhannad, is equal 11.
Times by 2.
Multiply by 2. Excellent. So 11 multiplied by 2 equals what, Muhannad?
22.
Excellent. So if I need the radius in the first one, if the diameter is 6, I will divide it by 2, Muhannad. Divided 6 over 2, my friend, it equal 3. If I have the radius is equal 11, so I will multiply this one by 2, it equals 22. Okay, Muhannad? We need now to go to question number 3. Read with me the question, please.
Find the circumference of each circle.
Circumference. It's called by circumference one.
Oh,
The circumference means what? Look with me. It means the length of the frame of the circle. If I need the length of the frame of the circle, I need the length
Yeah.
of this one. Okay, it
It's
equals
10.
what?
10 centimeters.
No, no, my friend. If I need the diameter, I multiply by 2. If I have here 5, I will multiply this one by 2 and 1. Okay?
Okay.
But if here I need the circumference, look with me. We will make what? Write with me the rule. 2 times this by times r. Again, the circumference is equal what, Muhammad? 2 by r.
2 by r times 5.
Yes. No, no. Look with me, Muhammad. 2 times by times r. It will be 2 by r. The circumference of the circle is equal what? 2 times by times r. Okay? 2 times by times r. What is the radius here, Muhammad?
5 centimeters.
Okay, so we'll make 2 times by times 5. Again, write with me, please. The circumference of the circle is equal what? 2 times this by, 2 times this by, times r. Okay? 2 times by this by. Can you see this by?
Yeah.
Okay? 2 times by times r. R here is equal what, Muhammad? 5.
Okay, 5.
I will multiply firstly 2 by 5. 2 by 5 equal what?
2 by 5 equal 2 by 5 equals 10 times 3.14.
Excellent. It will be equal what?
10 times, wait, messed up.
3.14.
Times 3.14 equals 31.4.
31.4. So this one will be the circumference here is equal to times by times r. Or we can set it quickly 2 by r. The circumference of the circle, Muhammad, is 2 by r. And you have here by is equal 3.14. So we will remove by and put 3.14, Muhammad. We will remove by and put 3.14, my friend. Okay? So it will be 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 times this number equal 31.4. Okay?
Okay.
If we look to the second one, Muhammad, the second one tell me the diameter. This is called by the diameter. So look with me, Muhammad. In number 3, this is called by the radius. This one, the line segment joining between the center and any point on the circle is called by the radius. So in number 3, this one is called by the radius. Okay, Muhammad? And its plural is called by radii. The plural of that is called by radii. Here, this one will be called by diameter. This one is called by diameter. So the 13 inch here will be diameter. Okay? Do you remember what is the rule of the circumference if I have the diameter, Muhammad?
Rule of circumference.
We said 2 by r, or the second one is what?
Divided by 2.
No, no, no. If I need the radius, it will be divided by 2. But the circumference here, write with me, please. Write with me. The circumference equal by times d. I will make by this one times the diameter. Again, the rule of the circumference here is what, ya Muhammad?
By times diameter.
D. Okay? So I will multiply 13 by 3.14. I will multiply 13. Okay, Muhammad? We will multiply 13 by 3.14. It equals 13. What?
13 times what?
3.14, the same number.
Okay.
By here equals 3.14. Is it clear?
Yes, 13 times 3.14 equals 40 and 82. 0.82.
Okay. He gives me, Muhammad, here round this number to the nearest tenth, right? Can you see this part in the question? He needs to the nearest tenth. So I don't need 2 decimal. So 82 here, look with me. I will look to 2. 2 here is what? Less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Okay, Muhammad? 2 is less than 5. I will remove this 2 because it's less than 5. If it's greater than 5, I will add 1. If I have the number is greater than 5, it means 8.5 or 8. It will be 85, 86, 87. I add 1. It will be becomes 9. But here, because this number is less than 5, ya Muhammad, I will cancel 2. So the answer here is what, ya Muhammad, approximately? It
It's around
equals
for
40.8.
it. Yes, around that.
It will be 40.8 only. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Clear? Again, ya Muhammad. In
Yes.
number 3, if I need the circumference, in number 3, Muhammad, so the circumference is equal to by r. Again, here, the circumference is equal to by r. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Here, if I need the circumference in this example, if he gives me the diameter, I will make pi times d only. And in the both case, I have pi is equal 3.14 or maybe 22/7. Read with me this question, please, the essential question. Go, Muhammad.
How do measurements help you describe real world objectives?
Again, Muhammad.
How
Again,
do
Muhammad.
measurements help you describe real world objects?
Objects. Okay. Read what we need to learn today.
To find the area of a circle, to find the area of a semicircle.
We need to know how we can calculate the area of the circle all or the area of the semicircle, right? Look with me. If we look into the blue part here, ya Muhammad, this is a new vocabulary of the lesson today. It will be called by the semicircle. Semicircle means what, ya Muhammad? Semicircle here means half circle.
Yes.
Yes. So semicircle, okay, it's called by semicircle. The new vocab of this lesson is semicircle. It means the half of the circle. Half of the circle. Okay? So this is circle all. The red line here or the pink line, it means the diameter. This one, ya Muhammad, line is called by the diameter. This small part I will call it by the radius. This small part, ya Muhammad, I will call it by the radius. And the blue part here is called by semicircle. Again, its name is what? Semicircle. Okay? Look with me to this. He said that the key concept, find the area of the circle. What is the key concept, ya Muhammad? Find the area of the circle. Okay? What is the word of this one? The area of the circle is equal what? The product of pi
and the square of the radius is
the radius r, okay? So the area of the circle is equal what, ya Muhammad? By r squared. Again, the area of the circle is equal what, ya Muhammad? You must keep it in your mind, please. A means area by r squared. It means I will multiply r by itself. Again, what is r, ya Muhammad? R is the length of the radius. R here is the length of the radius. This length is called by the radius. Okay, my friend? Again, what we said. We said that I need here to find the area of the circle. What is the area of the circle again, Muhammad? The area of the circle have a rule.
It's
by
r times 2.
By r squared, no. By r squared.
By
it
r
means
squared.
Again, the area of the circle is equal what, Muhammad?
By r squared.
What is the meaning of squared? I will multiply the number by itself, not by 2. I multiply the number by itself. What?
Your mic turned off and turned back on.
Okay, sorry. So this one, Muhammad, the circumference is equal to by r. If I have the circumference, the previous lesson, this 2 comes in the forward. It will be 2 by r. Do you hear me, Muhammad?
Yes, I hear you.
So the circumference 2 is here in the forward. But in the area, I have this one in the power. I have 2 here is a power. Okay, Muhammad?
Okay.
Let's look to the first example. He gives me find the area of the circle. Find the area of the circle using pi equal 3.14 for pi. So pi here is equal what, Muhammad? 3.14.
Yes.
Okay? Okay. This one will be the radius. This 2 inch will be the radius. Okay? This one will be for the radius. Look with me, what will make? Firstly, I will write the rule of the area. This one is called by the rule of the area or the formula of the area. So this one, A equal, area equal what, ya Muhammad? By r squared. Again, the area of the circle by r squared. Again,
Yes,
the
by
area of the
R.
circle by r squared. The power 2 here means I will multiply the number by itself. I multiply the number by itself, not by 2. So the area is equal what, Muhannad? Look with me. 3.14 times 2 power 2. Because the radius is 2, Muhannad. This is called by the radius, okay? So the radius here is 2 power 2. So the area equal 3.14 times 2 power 2, it means times 4. If I multiply these two numbers together, so the result of the multiplication gives me what? It gives me 12.56.
Yes.
12.56. Are you ready to solve the Muhannad? Again, I will make this one, and after that, I will make you solving another example. The area of the circle is equal what? Again, Muhannad. The area of the circle is equal by r squared. This
by
is the
R
rule.
squared. Yes.
This is the rule. This is the formula of the area. Again, what is the rule of the area? The area is equal by r squared. The area of the circle is equal what? By r squared. So the area of the circle is equal by r squared. So the area is equal 3.14 by 2 power 2. It means 2 power 2 here, it means by 4. 2 power 2 here, it means by 4. Okay? So 3.14 times 4, it gives me 12.56. Is it clear, ya Muhannad?
Yes.
Okay, we'll go to Muhannad question. Look with me, Muhannad. If he gives me that, ya Muhannad, he gives me, I have the circle. Yes, I have the circle in the opposite. I need the area. If the radius is 4 and the value of pi is equal 3.14. Do you remember the rule of the area?
Yes.
What is the rule of the area? 3.14.
Yes, 3.14 by R squared. Which
R
is
squared.
By,
I will multiply
R
this one
squared. By R squared.
By R squared. Okay, so write with me in your paper, in your notebook, please. Write with me. The area of the circle is by R squared. Write with me.
Okay.
The area of the circle is by R squared. Okay? Do you write the formula?
The area
of the circle by this by Muhannad and R squared. By times R squared.
By times
R squared. By this by Muhannad times R squared. Okay?
Okay.
We will remove by now and put 3.14, right? We will remove by and put this number because he said use 3.14 for by, right?
You're right.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So I will remove by and substitute by 3.14. After that, we will remove r and put 4.
Oh.
We will substitute about r by 4. So the rule now is what? 3.14 times 4 power 2, right?
Right.
Can you complete and calculate the area?
The area, okay, just wait.
I will wait.
3.14 times the radius 4 times 2. 25.12.
So we'll write 3.14 m1 times 16, 4 power 2. It will be equal 16. It will be equal what?
25.12.
No. 3.14 m1 times 4 power 2. 4 power 2 means
wait. Stop. 4 times 2.
4 by 2. No, 4 by 4 m1. 4 power 2, it means 4 by 4 m1. 4 power 2, it means 4 by 4.
Okay, just wait. 4 times 4 equals 16 times 3.14.
Times
50.24.
So this number, excellent, it's equal 50.24. Again, the rule is what, ya Muhannad? The rule of the area of the circle. Look with me again. It will be equal, area of the circle equal by r squared. Again, this is our rule, ya Muhannad. Area is equal what, my friend? by r squared. The area of the circle, Muhammad, is by r
R
squared.
squared, yes.
Can you see this rule? We will put by
Yes.
here by 3.14. We will put by 3.14. But in this example, I will remove by and put that by what? I will put by times 4 power 2. So 3.14 times 4 power 2 means 3.14 times 16.
Yes.
So this one is equal what? 50.24. You can see 4, Muhammad. 4 is less than 5, right?
Right.
So if 4 is less than 5, I will remove 4 and write it will be equals what? 50.2. If he said approximated, it will be 50.2 only. Okay? Look with me to this example, please. He said in example number 2, find the area of the circle. Find the area of the circle. He gives me the radius is equal what, ya Muhammad? 14 centimeter. The radius is what? 14 centimeters.
Yes.
And by here is equal 22 over 7. By is equal what? 22 over 7.
Okay.
We will use the rule or the formula of the area. What is the rule or the formula of the area, Muhammad? The area is equal by r squared.
Yes.
The area of the circle is equal what? By r squared. Again, the area of the circle is equal what, ya Muhammad?
By r squared.
R squared. Again, ya Muhammad. What is the area of the circle?
By r squared.
Okay, so the area of the circle is equal by r squared, right?
Right.
If I have the area is equal by r squared, I will remove by and put by in this time 22 over 7. We said that before, ya Muhammad. By has two values. Maybe by equal 22 over 7, or maybe by is equal what? It's equal 3.14 like the previous example. But here we will use it 22 over 7 because he tell me that use 22 over 7 for by. And we will remove radius and put 14. We will remove radius and put 14. And we said this r is power 2, M1. What is the meaning of r power 2? It means the number multiplied by itself. The number multiplied by itself. So 14 multiplied by itself, 14. Again, the area of the circle equal by times r squared. The area of the circle is equal by times r squared. So it will be 22 over 7, M1, times 14 squared. Okay? We will make 14 squared, it will be equal 196. 14 squared, my friend, is equal 196. And we'll multiply 22 over 7 times 196. Again, we'll multiply that again. 22 over 7 multiplied by 196. Can I simplify 7 with 28? Yes. I will divide it by 7. Give me 1. I will divide it by 7. Give me 28. No. Divided by 7 here. Equal 1. 196 divided by 7 give me 28. Can you see this number by the red? Again, 1. 7 divided by 7 gives me 1. 7 divided by 7 gives me 1. 196 divided by 7 gives me 28. Okay? After that, we will multiply these two numbers together. 22 times 28. We will multiply 22 by 28. It gives me what? 616. Again, one. What we do, because you will solve the next. The area here is equal by r squared. The area of the circle equal by r squared. Okay? Yes. The area of the circle is equal by r squared, so the area equal, we will remove by and put the red number 22 over 7, because he said by in this example is equal 22 over 7, like this. And I will remove r and put this one is equal what? It's equal 14, this number. So I will remove by and put 22 over 7, and I will remove r and put 14. Okay, Muhammad? This is 14 squared. We will multiply 22 over 7 times 196. Again, what we will make? We will multiply 22 over 7 times 196. We will make simplification between 2 and 196. Divided by 7, give me 1. Divided by 7, give me 28. After that, I will multiply 28 by 22. Multiply them together. I will multiply 22 by 28. It gives me 660. Is it clear, ya Muhammad?
Yes.
So what is the rule again?
It's by r squared.
What is the meaning of squared?
times the number
multiply
itself.
the number by 2. Yes,
Yeah.
I don't multiply the number by 2. I will multiply the number by itself. Now I need you, Muhammad, to help me in this example, please. So look with me to this example, please. Okay, Mohammed, can you read the example, please, for me? Don't look to the answer.
Okay. Find the area of circle with a radius of 7 by r.
The radius is equal 7 meters, right? And
Yes.
by here is equal 22/7. He said that for you, right?
Right.
What will make, Mohammed? What is the rule?
It's by r squared.
So the area of the circle here is equal by r squared. Can you write the rule again? Write it in your notebook.
I have it, mister.
Okay. So we will write by r squared, right? We will put by what? I will remove by and substitute by 22/7, right?
Right.
I will write by 22/7, and I will write radius by what, ya Muhammad? By 7. It will be 7/2, right?
Radius by, yes.
So I will make 22/7 times 7/2. Right? Can you calculate it, Muhammad? Don't look to the answer. I will make 22/7 times 7/2. It means 7 by 7, Yaman. 7/2 here means 7 by 7. (22/7) times 7/2. Muhammad is finished. Do you finish the example or not yet? Muhammad. Muhammad, you finish? You finish? Okay. So we'll make the circumference is equal to by r. So 2 times by times r is the circumference. But here I need the area. So we'll make 22/7 times 7/2. 22/7 times 7/2 is equal what? 22/7 times 7/2 means 49. So it will be equals 154. Okay? Thank you, grade 7, for your time. I hope you enjoy this lesson. We'll continue this lesson, inshallah, tomorrow. Okay? See you soon. Goodbye.